Hey, in this video we'll try to understand what to learn from this course. So after completing this basics videos on basics, we will be able to explore the VBA programming language. We can understand VBA structures. We'll understand what functions and subroutines and how they work, and we can manipulate Excel objects with macros, and you can make user interaction. Maybe same macro is used by several people, and how the macro interacts with the user. And finally, as earlier said, making Excel working for you. So what we are covering in basics? So we are covering in basics what is macro. So we'll first understand what is macro. Maybe we record a small macro and see how the code is built when we are doing this. And then we'll write a sample code for understanding just how the code will be written. For that we will see the VBA, sorry, it's a spelling mistake, it's VBA editor. We go to the VBA editor, and there we write the code so that you have a kind of a free feel that actually you are becoming a programmer. So there is nothing very difficult task to write a code. So how to write a simple code we'll see, and then we see how to build a function through a macro and how we have to use them, and then procedures like subroutines and public procedures and private procedures, and only for the current worksheet or for all the worksheet we are working for. And then we try to understand variables. So variables are very common in all the programming languages. And then data types, and then the operators, how to deal with variables, arrays, then range objects, then looping, and worksheet and workbook events. So after learning all these things, we will actually work on a worksheet how the events are created so that the macro is done and working for you. So in basics we need to understand this. Once you understand these all aspects, you would be able to actually get into a semi-skilled state where you can actually do a practice with a easy way, so that you can get into macros towards expert level. So go through these points and try to memorize these words. You can pause the video and just go through these lines and understand, and you can somewhere you can write down and memorize. So when the next videos, when I use these words, you can remember them and then accordingly understand the valuation of these what do you call words. So next, let's go to the next video, which is coming very shortly on basics. Thanks for now.